Today we are going to try to hopefully finish this project. I get the airbox on and the gas tank on is what I have left to do engine-wise. I need to bleed the clutch line still and then just check over a few other things, but it's basically functioning then. It's another hot day. Of course, Theo's out there enjoying the yard, keeping patrol for lizards. I'm putting the gaskets in for, here's my other one I gotta throw on there still, for the seal to the airbox. And once I get the other gasket in, I'm gonna set the airbox on. I've got all my hoses labeled to match up to the corresponding number. Last night got the carbs in, everything tightened down, all the connections done to it. So that's where we're at. I do have to, there's a couple wires over here. I got to, this is for the fan, radiator fan. I got to connect that and get those zip tied where they're supposed to be. That's about it. I don't have a battery yet. I got a jet ski battery that I'm going to jumper off of. I did that when getting the ignition working, so I'm going to go with that. And that's where we're at. Got the airbox on. Having trouble getting the and here's your little vacuum piece. I cannot get the other side of the hose fully on because this stupid plastic that Honda put here comes all the way down. Why they didn't cut this back to be nice with the frame, I don't know. I don't even know why this is down so far, because they had to drill an access hole here to get to one of the carb adjustments. That's from what I'm reading, so why not just cut it back? Probably should have done before I put it in. So I'm going to take a knife, cut out this triangle, and then I can easily just slide this hose all the way on this. You can see it's only partially on. So that's all I'm going to do. That's done. Let's see, let me turn the lighting off here. There it is. Slide it on, get to the hose clamp easy. I got to put coolant in still. And on this side, here's a trick. When you're putting this on, there's a hose right under here, and I'm trying to get it lined up. Put a screwdriver down here into the hose so it keeps the hose straight, and when you push this down, it literally just pushes on. I got to screw these in to the carbs. The gaskets have set really nice in there. I've got, can't see, but all the other connections here are done. And one other thing I want to show you before you put the carbs on. It's probably too late to even show you. One of the coolant tubes that goes to the front carb, connect that first, and then put the carbs on. Because I thought, I got enough room to reach in there, and it took me 40 minutes to wiggle this. I got it all the way on with the hose clamp on, but boy, was that not fun. Organization system. When I was taking it apart, plastic bags with lots of notes, and so these are the screws for the throttle body, the velocity stack screws I have. They stayed in there actually. They got little tabs to keep it from falling out, so that was nice. So I'm gonna put these guys in, and they had some. You can see there's some blue Loctite on them. All right. So those 8 screws are in. Now we put the velocity stacks in. The short one goes to the front. Short one goes to the front. Large one goes to the rear. And it really doesn't matter which way they're turned around, they're equal. But you want to get them seated down in there, make sure they're clean when you put them in. So I'm going to wipe them off, screw those down, and then you put the air filter on. And we have a newer air filter right there, new one, in the box. So let me get these cleaned and tightened down. So this is the old one right here. And move all this out of the way. Here's my new MGO air filter. OEM replacement. Flip it over. Identical, but brand new. We're going to put this guy on. Really only goes in one way. Huh. I'm going to check here though. Oh yeah, there's no rubber gasket on them. It's just a plastic lip. Interesting. And I was wondering about these holes here and here, and now that I look at the air filter, I see that basically they're just blocked off. That's kind of odd. Don't really even know why. So that will sit in perfectly like that, and it locks in place right down in that groove.